Everyone messes this up when they're starting out. You place your material in the eufyMake E1, hit print, and watch it shift, land off-center, or miss completely. Wasted material, wasted time, ruined piece. The reason is alignment, and there's actually two completely different ways to do it. Most people don't know the difference. They use the wrong method for their job. That's why they fail. Today, I'm showing you both methods, why each one matters, and exactly when to use each one. The eufyMake E1 has two alignment systems, photo alignment and 0-point alignment. Photo alignment uses the camera to capture where your material actually is on the bed. It works with any shape, irregular pieces, custom shapes, whatever. The camera looks at it, recognizes it, and in the editor, you tell the machine where to print. 0-point alignment is different. It uses coordinate points. You place your material at a specific XY position on the bed, tell the printer where that position is, and it prints at those exact coordinates. No camera involved, two completely different workflows, and here's where people get it wrong. They use photo alignment when they should use 0-point, or they don't even know 0-point alignment even exists. Let me show you exactly when to use each one and how to do it right. Use photo alignment when your material is any shape other than a perfect rectangle, when you're doing one-off custom pieces, or when you just want speed without setup. You place the material on the bed, open up the eufyMake app, take a photo, and the system reads exactly where your material is, and you can print there. It's flexible and it works great for custom or irregular pieces. The downside is it's slower because the camera has to take a picture and process it every time you print. Using this method of alignment, the maximum material height is 60 millimeters. If you're doing custom work or pieces that don't fit a standard rectangle, photo alignment is your choice. Step 1 is material placement. Take your adhesive or other mat and make sure it's clean. No dust, no residue. Place your material exactly where you want the print to land. This is your design location, so position it carefully. Once it's where you want it, don't move it again until the photo is taken. The material height must be under 60 millimeters or the camera won't recognize it. After that, you're ready for the photo. Open up the eufyMake app, go to Photo Alignment, and select Assisted Shot. The machine will tell you it's recognizing the highest plane. This takes about 40 seconds. Don't move the material, don't move the flatbed, don't touch anything. Just wait. The camera's mapping the exact position and height of your material. Once it finishes, you'll see the material shape confirmed on your screen. That's your alignment locked in. Go to the editor and make sure your design is positioned exactly where you want it relative to the material that you just photographed. The design template should match what the camera saw. Position it, confirm it looks right, then you're ready to print. No more adjustments needed. Click Print. The machine prints exactly where the camera mapped. When it finishes, you'll have a piece where the design landed exactly where you wanted it. 0-point alignment is for batch production of standard geometric shapes, rectangles, squares, consistent pieces. You do a one-time calibration, then for every print after that, you place the material at the same coordinates and it prints the same position every time. No camera, no photos, just coordinate points. That is way faster for batch work because there's no alignment step on every print. You place, you press print, done. The material height limit is also higher, up to 100 millimeters. But here's the catch. You have to do the calibration the first time, and your design has to be set to the actual size of your material and aligned to the 0-point in the editor. Most people skip the calibration or don't understand why it matters. That's why their 0-point prints fail. This is the step everyone skips and then wonders why 0-point doesn't work. 0-point calibration. You only do this once per adhesive mat, but you have to do it. Attach the official mat to the flatbed, go to your app, the adjustment menu, calibration, then 0-point calibration. The machine will run auto measurement. This establishes the reference point for your printer's printhead. It takes about a minute, so let it finish. For experienced users, you can optionally do precise offset calibration by printing marks, measuring them, and entering exact values. But the auto measurement gets you 90% there. Once calibration's done, you're set for batch printing at 0-point. You don't need to calibrate again unless you replace the mat. Now for every print using 0-point, place your material on the adhesive mat. Align to the 0-point or the scale marks at whatever XY position you've chosen. The design in your editor must be set to the actual size of your material and aligned to those same 0-point coordinates. If your design is positioned at X equals 10, Y equals 20, then your material must be positioned at 10 and 20 on the mat. They have to match. Once they match, you just hit print. No photos, no alignment step, no waiting. Just straight to print. That's why it's so fast for batch work. Here's the difference. Photo alignment is flexible, works with any shape, and slower because it takes a photo every time. 0-point is fast, coordinate-based, requires calibration once, and best for batch geometric shapes. Same material, same print quality, different workflows. Which one should you use? If you're doing custom one-off pieces or irregular shapes, use photo alignment. If you're printing the same design on 10 identical pieces in a row, use 0-point. Don't try to use 0-point for custom shapes. Don't use photo alignment for batch work when you could use 0-point, because you'll waste time taking photos every single print. Here's exactly where people mess up with each method. With photo alignment, they move the material after taking the photo. The alignment is locked, then they adjust the material position, and the print lands in the wrong spot. To fix that, just take your photo, confirm the alignment, then don't touch that material until your print is done. With 0-point, they skip the calibration, thinking it doesn't matter. Or they don't align the image in the editor to the same coordinates where they place the material. Or they use it for irregular shapes when it only works for rectangles. To fix that, do the calibration once, position your material at your chosen coordinates, set your design to the actual size, and align it to those same coordinates in the editor. Match them exactly. That's the entire solution. Photo alignment for custom pieces and flexibility, 0-point for batch production and speed. Choose the right method for your job, follow the steps without skipping, and your alignment will be perfect every single time. If this video helped you with your eufyMake E1, consider subscribing today. I cover laser engraving, UV printing, 3D printing, and how these technologies actually work in a real business. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.